The CEWOR 14 pack 98 feet fake ivy leaves. Artificial Garland offers a substantial amount of greenery for anyone looking to enhance their indoor or outdoor decor with artificial plants. This set includes 14 individual garlands, each approximately 78.7 inches long, totaling nearly 98 feet of ivy leaves. Each vine features 72 leaves sized around 3.5 centimeters square, crafted from silk for the leaves and plastic for the stems. The product is designed to be vivid and long-lasting thanks to an advanced dyeing process that helps prevent fading over time. It is suitable for decorating a variety of spaces including bedrooms, gardens, balconies, weddings, and parties. The set also comes with green nylon cable ties to assist with easy installation on surfaces such as shelves, lattices, fences, and walls. Upon receiving the product, users have noted that the packaging is secure and the vines arrive in good condition, although the vines tend to stick together and require careful detangling to avoid leaf loss. This is a minor inconvenience that demands patience but does not affect the overall usability. A common observation among users is the initial chemical or fishy odor emitted by the garlands straight out of the packaging. This smell is described as pungent by some, but tolerable or even mild by others. The odor dissipates after airing the vines out in a ventilated space for about an hour or more, making it manageable before the installation. In terms of appearance, the vines do not appear highly realistic when inspected individually up close. However, when arranged and layered on walls or other surfaces, they create a convincing and aesthetically pleasing greenery effect. Some users have reported that even guests were surprised to learn the vines were artificial after seeing them from a distance. The texture and look of the leaves are comparable to real vines, which themselves can sometimes appear plastic-like. The green color is vibrant and consistent, contributing to a fresh and natural ambience. The quality of the materials is generally described as good for the price. The silk leaves and plastic stems are durable enough for repeated use and handling. Users have mentioned that the vines do not shed leaves excessively, with only occasional leaf loss during unpacking or detangling. A slight green residue on fingers has been reported but is minimal and does not damage the product. The garlands are flexible and easy to manipulate, allowing for creative placement and styling. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly. The vines can be hung without the need for additional adhesives or fasteners in many cases, as they tend to cling to surfaces or intertwine easily. For more secure placement, users have employed cable ties, command strips, or tape, depending on the surface and desired look. The included nylon ties offer a handy solution for attaching the vines to latticework, fences, or other structures. The garlands are lightweight, which simplifies hanging and repositioning. Many users have utilized these garlands to create accent walls, decorate whiteboards, enhance mirrors, or add greenery to bars and dining areas. The length and quantity of vines in the pack provide ample coverage for large spaces, though some have purchased multiple packs to achieve fuller coverage or more dramatic effects. The vines can almost reach the floor in rooms with high ceilings, making them versatile for various room sizes. Despite the initial odor and the need for careful detangling, the overall sentiment among users is positive. The price point is considered reasonable given the volume and quality of the product. The garlands have been praised for their ability to transform spaces with a natural, lush look without the maintenance required by live plants. They're also appreciated for being usable both indoors and outdoors, though care should be taken to avoid prolonged exposure to harsh weather to maintain their appearance. In summary, the CEWOR 14-pack fake ivy leaves artificial garland is a practical and attractive option for those seeking to add greenery to their environment without the hassle of live plants. It offers good value, ease of use, and a visually appealing result when arranged thoughtfully. The initial chemical smell and the need to carefully separate the vines are minor drawbacks that do not overshadow the overall quality and effectiveness of the product. Users who want to enhance their decor with greenery will find this garland set a worthwhile purchase. For anyone considering this product, airing out the vines before use and handling them gently during setup will ensure the best experience. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions.